Hello guys, welcome back. Today I scalped volatility index 75. It was really short term and with bigger lot size. It is most rewarding but the most riskier. You can blow away your whole account. Well, I literally blows many accounts, but after blowing so many accounts, I got experienced what I did wrong. Okay, so the real account. Okay, so let's I'll show you what I today my profits and losses. Okay, so this is my today's trading. Bought a really huge lot sizes. 93, it's a long term, it's not a short term. Okay, and this is 0.5 lot, big lot. It's really a hit and run trades. All these trades are hit and run. This here 0.2 lot, big lot size, very big for a small account. This lot size is good for above $20,000 account size, but it's really $1,000 account size. Today I made 347. Okay, see how many trades: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 profit trades, 2 losing trades. Okay, as you can see here, 0.1 lot size, $80. What did it? So I will definitely show you in the next video how I'm trading with uh, even minutes, even seconds. I'm staying in the markets for some seconds to some minutes. Okay, this is really a risky trading. Okay, it's really risky. You will blow away your whole account. It's a quick money, it's a really good money, but it's very risky. So please don't try this at all. And after you gain so much confidence in your scalping trades, then I suggest you to do these kind of trades. Okay, so always do long-term trades. These are more there's a more also more profitable, but also very less risky. So it's really my 2 years experience that I'm on this stage right now. Yes, I was I always use small accounts. Okay, so many I just blow someday if the market was right or wrong. Okay, but if market is good, then I will definitely win. Okay.